What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today we got a new blade from tpob. It is the tpob Psycho blade. So we're gonna be throwing this onto the tpob Troll. So y'all stay tuned and we're gonna see what it hits like behind the chair. Not gonna be a super crazy long video, but we're just gonna go ahead and review this new blade from tpob. So stay tuned.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So we got the blade on the actual Troll trimmer. There it is on the Troll trimmer, looking very nice. tpob Psycho. Overall great look to the trimmer. I'm thoroughly pleased with how it looks, the aesthetics of it. But let's look at the package here. We got the tpob Psycho Graphite 6.9 blade set. Includes deep tooth Psycho graphite blade, Psycho crunchy twisted tooth cutting blade, spring and cam follower, metal blade holder, all included with the package. The blade, I did zero gap it as close as I could without having to bite. So there it is, and let's get it behind the chair and see what it does.
What's good, everybody? So this is the demonstration portion of this video. We're just gonna do an overview of what we are doing with the Trolls here. So I'm balding out on this client, then we're edging up the nape area, and this blade is just eating through. It's super crispy. You can tell just by how easily it just slices through that hair. I went through many different types of hair texture in this video. It's easy to change the blade out on this Troll. All you gotta do is undo true screws. The blade already comes with the cam follower and the cutting blade already all attached. So that makes life a lot easier. You can just unscrew those two screws off the trimmer and put the new blade on and put the screws back in. Very easy to assemble, very easy to switch out. But you can see here it's slicing through the bangs like nothing. There's really no negative thing that I could really say about this blade at all. This has to be hands down one of the best blades, if not the best blade that I have used thus far. Now, I've always been a fan of the Babyliss Gold FX. That's been like the GOAT blade of all time. But honestly, ever since I have switched out the blades, I have not gone back to the Gold FX. This is the blade that I use for all around go-to everything. I've noticed with the Gold FX, a lot of times it would snag underneath the beard area, or if I'm balding out on the side pretty fast. But this blade does not do that at all. It slices through the hair, it edges up crisp. You can tell in the back of this beard here, it does the job. And the front edge up just slices through. I've done, like I said, different textures of hair, really thin hair, thick hair, different ethnicities, different types of curl patterns, and it does the job for every single thing that I have put it against. So I can't really say nothing bad about this blade, nothing but good things. The blade itself, I believe, is about $38 USD. You can find it on thepissedoffbarber.com if you want to just cop the blade by itself and switch it off to like a Babyliss trimmer or the Troll, or another trimmer to come with tpob is going to be able to use this blade as well. Now, if you want to get the Troll with the blade already assembled on it from like the very beginning purchase, you can have that option at thepissedoffbarber.com. There is an option on there when you go to the Troll to pick the Troll trimmer with the Psycho blade already on it. Now, I highly suggest that you do that option, but both blades are good. The tpob Exo blade is good, but this Psycho blade, like it says, it's Psycho. It's crazy. It's crazy how sharp it gets everything. It's crazy how detailed it is. It's crazy how much it eats through the hair with ease. Edging up around this ear area was extremely easy. It's got that TY type shape. It has those thin corners which are able to navigate around the ear in tight places easily. You see me edge up the mustache on other clients prior to this, and it's just been an overall great blade. So like I said, nothing I can complain about. Very good blade. If you want to purchase this, you could use my code Jayblends at thepissedoffbarber.com to save yourself 15% off if you do choose to go that route. They do have the Troll trimmers available on Amazon as well, where you can get 2-day shipping, but I don't believe that the Psycho blade is on any of those trimmers on Amazon yet. But the best thing to do is to go to thepissedoffbarber.com and go get it from there. And like I said, the trimmer with the Psycho blade, I believe, is about $140. But if you use the 15% off discount, it'll take a good chunk of that off. But right here, you can just see how crisp it gets this edge up. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications, and go cop this blade. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Go check it out for yourself and let me know what you guys think when you get the blade and use it behind the chair. But other than that, God bless.